Hello guys, I'm back and this is second unboxing. Let's pick. Okay, let's go to pick. I'm gonna take this one. Let's go. Okay, let's go na. Nuns! Nuns! Yay! Nuns. And the Robux or not the Robux? Next, we read the illustration of the what's the interval. Let's go. A cartoonization of the losing kid. Reward in 270. OMG! I'm gonna find later, but I need to go. Okay. Second, this toy. Stress ball. And stress ball. Ah! My squishy. Ah! OMG, it's dirty. Wait a minute, I will back. Ah, my squishy. OMG. Yes. Wait, I think it's open when I open it. Let's go. Oh, I see. Did you realize I disposed this? So next third is the third, and my crush is crying because it's only one. Bye bye.